Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be reviewing the iHome Darth Vader Bluetooth speaker. I actually got this for my birthday from some good friends of mine, and they were wondering if I'd review it, and of course I said yes. So thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So from outside the box, it actually looks kind of cute. It's like a little cartoon character thingy. I really like that. It says its charging cable is a USB to micro USB. I don't know if it comes with a power brick. It probably won't. We'll find out. 3.5mm headphone jack, so it should work with your phone or any other MP3 or music device that you would like to hook up to it. And it also works with Bluetooth if you don't have a cord, or if you have like an iPhone that doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's open this up. There it is. It looks quite small actually, and if you can't see yet, it also has like a little lightsaber. That's pretty awesome. There is the charger, quite small and short actually. Looks kind of cool. We have some screws at the bottom, so I'll go ahead and take those out. So after all of the unboxing, we finally got the speaker and the instructions and the cable. So we'll open that up. USB to micro USB. And then the instructions and a warning card. Unit must be fully charged before use. Very important. Actually, I've never had a speaker come with a warning card that says that. So I don't know if it's actually legit. So here is the speaker itself. A cute little Darth Vader thing, tiny feet. There's some buttons down there. Not real, but there's the micro USB charging port, the AUX cable, 3 modes: off, Bluetooth, and AUX setting for actually plugging it in, and it comes fully charged. Oh, it's a light right there. Okay, that's cool. Some nice sound effects when you turn it on and when you turn it off. We have a USB to micro USB, and it has these little kind of gray plastic things on the bottom. I think that makes it look kind of cool. That's nice, not just black. 2 instruction manuals, English and a different language. So they might actually have other characters, I think, because it's not just the Darth Vader. And it shows you how everything works, what comes in the package, what you can connect, different settings. So yes, you will need a wall adapter. That's not included. And it shows you how to hook it up to your phone. So I was reading in the instructions, you plug it into the wall. For the first time of use, plug it in for about 5 hours. When you plug it in, there will be a steady red light indicator. I believe it's right there. When we turned it on, it was blue right there. And the light will turn off. The red light will turn off once it's fully charged. So charging it, you'll just stick the USB into your power brick and stick the micro USB into the speaker itself on the back, and then when you plug it in, it should have a red light indicator indicating that it's charging. So if you can see that, it's a steady red light. There's no blinking lights, it's just steady, and once it's fully charged, then it will turn off, and then when it's on, it'll be blue. And it's just right here. I think that's the only light indicator. Alright, so I'm going to try and pair it up right now with a Samsung tablet. Let's see if it works. So if you turn on the speaker into Bluetooth mode, it'll turn on like that, and we'll go to Bluetooth and see if it comes up. So it beeped twice, and it comes up as iHome B66 on mine. So we'll click pair. It'll probably make another sound. Yep, and it does one long sound when it's paired, and it says it's connected. Alright, so it's connected. I'm just gonna play a simple beat, and there's no volume on here. You control it on your device, and yeah, so let's try it out. It's actually pretty loud, and the bass is really good. So it's actually really decent quality, and it's actually a very good Bluetooth speaker. I'm pretty impressed. Alright, so I got an aux cable. We'll test that out now. If you don't have a device with an aux, or not aux, a Bluetooth setting, and it doesn't work with Bluetooth, then you might need one of these. It does not come in the package, and also the wall adapter doesn't either, so you'll need one of those. But let's try this out on the aux setting. So we'll play some more simple beats. Works just great, just like the Bluetooth. I think it does think that it's headphones on mine anyway with this aux cable, and a warning will pop up if you listen to it too loud. Shouldn't matter on this. But so yeah, it works with Bluetooth and aux, and it's super awesome, and you should get it, I think. So you can get this speaker for around $20 to $30. It's actually super good quality, and I would recommend it. It looks cute. It's awesome. If you're a big Star Wars fan, then totally recommend it. It's a great speaker, works with Bluetooth and aux. And so if you're looking for a cheap speaker that's good quality, then I would recommend this one. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go check those out. If you're not subscribed already, then make sure to do that so you can get notifications when I post new cool videos, and make sure to click the notification bell so you get notified when I make videos. And like the video, comment if you are a Star Wars fan, or if you like these, or if you liked the video, like the video. Again, thank you so much to my friends for sponsoring this video, and thank you for all of you, all of my subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. It really helps out a lot, and thanks for watching. See you next time.